If you weren't able to make it to the Tulsa show, here's what you missed. Hi, I'm Denny Clark from Collectors Firearms. This is my assistant, Josh Martinez, and we just got back from the Tulsa Gun Show, and we are featuring this pair of Bowie knives. Both are made by Joseph Rogers, who was one of the big Bowie knife makers. This set right here is really interesting. We have the Joseph Rogers marking here, and it says Force King, but it has the name of a ship's captain, which was W.H. May, and Alert. So the Alert was the name of the ship, and the captain was W.H. May. Both knives have the same marking on the spine of the knife. I've seen these knives several years ago, and I know the knives. They were out of Norm Flaterman's collection, who wrote the book on Bowie knives, amongst many other famous books, and they're pictured in his book. My memory serves me that W.H. May was on a whaling ship, and so, and the Alert was his boat, of course. The next item we have is a Spontoon tomahawk. And so Spontoon is just the shape of the blade on here. And this is a pipe tomahawk, where you have the bowl where the Indians would put their tobacco, the spout where they would smoke it out of. What's really interesting about this one is the bowl unscrews, and it has a separate Spontoon head that screws in here. So whoever had this had the option to replace the bowl if they were going into battle and make this even a more formidable weapon, or this could have been used maybe as something to dig or entrench. My final item that I got is a hairbrush set. And you're probably saying, why don't we care about a hairbrush set? Well, the reason is because it says 1906, Merry Christmas to Louisa Cody from William F. Cody. Of course, William F. Cody was Buffalo Bill. Louisa Cody was his wife. So you have an ivory brush, ivory mirror, and it's all carved in here, Louisa Cody. So Christmas gift from Buffalo Bill to his wife, and Christmas of 1906. So some pretty neat items that turned up at the show.
So I think this is really neat because it's two Bowie knives into one scabbard.
Very, very unique, very unusual. And the size of this knife, I mean, this got to be close to 12 inches, 10 or 12 inches long. Clip point Bowie. It's a really neat knife, and this is a spear point Bowie. All right, well, this is what we got at the show. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.